Hello friends, welcome back to the mini video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to on screen recording on Oppo phone and how to use screen recording setting. Friends, you want to on guys your Oppo phone guys screen recording. So how to on screen recording in this video friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So then first of all open your phone setting to on screen recording. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface on your Oppo phone. Friends, scroll it. Friends, click on tool setting. This conventional tool setting friends, click here. Friends, you want to use your navigation setting. Friends, you can use your navigation setting. Friends, you want to on your three finger screenshot, touch and hold, swipe down, power button. So you can on from here. Friends, click on screen recording. Friends, you want to on your screen recording sound. Friends, you want to know microphone sound. So you can on first of all which sound you want to use. You can on from here. Friends, video quality you want to set into high, medium and low. So you can select and guys come back. Friends, you want to on your front camera. So you can on from here. So guys, now guys after setup guys your screen recording setting, guys swipe here and friends you can see on your Oppo phone guys your screen recording icon. Click here and screen recording will on. Friends, click on red button and guys your screen recording will start on your phone, and friends you can record video. So friends, you want to show guys video to off app notification. So friends, click here, manage notification, scroll it, and you can off your apps notification from here, and you can on apps notification from here on your device. Friends, you want to pause your screen recording. Friends, you can pause, and friends you can continue. You want to continue, so again click here, guys your screen recording will continue. Friends, again if you click on red button, friends screen recording will save. Tap here, tap to view. Friends, you can check your screen recording guys. Friends, you want to on sound, you can on sound, and you can off it. You want to send, friends nearby you want to send, friends you want to send on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Snapchat, you can send from here. Friends, you want to save into favorite list, you can save into favorite. You want to edit, so friends you can edit your screen recording from here guys. Friends, you want to rename your screen recording, friends you can rename. Friends, you want to delete, so friends click on delete icon and friends your screen recording will delete on your device guys. So like that friends we can delete screen recording also. So like that friends we can on, and friends we can use screen recording on Oppo mobile. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.